always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and cover the full drop list for Supreme Week 13. We do have a lot of items that actually did get switched around and some of which actually did stay the same. So today we're gonna go ahead and cover it all on the little green screen. We're gonna hop back there in a little bit and show you guys exactly what's releasing. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to jump more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And make sure you guys go ahead and go down there, subscribe to the channel. It means the world when y'all come back and show love. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And also let me know what's your favorite item that's going to be releasing this week. What are you going to be going for? With all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All right, so before we go ahead and get started, obviously I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some post notification shout outs. Shout out to each and every one of y'all who come through and show love. Yo, come on. Shout out to all of y'all, all that. Shout out to all of y'all, bro. Shout out to the Golden Child, Vigilante, Bobby Sneaker World, Bryce Kelly, all of y'all, for real, for always coming through. The homie Don. Hey, enough said. Let's go ahead and hop into these items real quick. So right here we do have the Leatherman multi-use tool, I guess you could call it. This is basically a Supreme whatever you need it to be type tool. It got like pliers on it. You got a knife. It comes in 2 different colorways. I feel like both are actually pretty solid. It comes with a beer opener. There's a bunch of different things you could use this item for, and I actually feel like it's pretty sick. I see why it's at the top of the list. I'm just scared to see what the price is gonna be on an item like this. I feel like it's gonna be $78 to $88, which I feel like is still kind of worth it because it has a bunch of things in it like pliers, scissors, wire cutters, a blade. Literally, these are fire. I like both of the colorways, and I feel like it's something that you can actually use, so it's pretty sick. We do have the woven chase lounge coming out. I did speak about this yesterday, so I'll briefly cover it. It's coming out in 2 different colorways, a black, which is so fire, and then the red is clean as well. I personally would go for the black one. This is gonna retail for $88, $98, is a price that I think personally is gonna come out for. I don't know exactly because obviously I'm not no guru, but it is what it is. We do have that coming out. This military camp cap is not my cup of tea, especially in this multi-Supreme box logo branded camo looking ass. I'm personally not a fan of those colors. I would go for the black, the gray, or the olive colorway, the olive being my favorite on that piece. We low-key got the tank tops releasing this week. The wife beaters is coming out this week for sure. Honestly, I feel like a lot of people probably will go for some shit like that. Personally, I'm gravy with biscuits on that. Like, I'm not going for that piece at all. We do got the Spiderweb hoodie, which I do feel like, and I got some new insight that this might retail for a little bit less than what I thought. This is a Cordura / Vanson collaboration, which does bring the price a little bit more down, and that's a great thing to see, bro. This hoodie right here is beautiful in that yellow color with the lightning fours, like one of you guys said in yesterday's video. Fire, bro. This yellow hoodie with the lightning fours, immaculate. I feel like retail for this is gonna be like 3 to 4 though, not gonna lie. 300 at least on that. I don't know, unless they use Supreme's blanks, these are gonna be expensive, at least more than a regular hoodie would be. We got the precision crew neck. This basically has a Supreme spell out around the chest area. Comes in 5 different colorways. Personally, I do like the black. The gray is decent, but I'm not really like the biggest fan of crew necks to begin with, so I'm good on that. We got the warm-up pants. I'm gonna open these a little bigger because they're way too small. These do come in 6 different colorways. That like peachish color is beautiful in my opinion. Like a taupey peach color is beautiful. That taupey peach color is beautiful. The yellow is actually fire on this as well. I don't know what it is, but from this drop list, I'm mainly liking the yellow colored shit for some reason. This yellow is fire, not gonna lie. It's like a springy type yellow color. We got the crop logos hooded sweatshirt. This one basically has Supreme logos around the hood and around the ribbing at the bottom, but it is kind of cut. I like this lime green color. The thought green is actually not that bad, not gonna lie to y'all. We got that one. The navy with the red is clean, and then the black with the white is fire as well. This Vanson leathers jacket, apparently I've been hearing that it's not gonna be full leather, so retail for this once again is gonna be lower than what I expected it to be, maybe like $500–600, and it's still kind of high, but it's way less. This is fully leather, so this bitch is gonna be like $1,000 ish, which is hella steep. Like, they're wilding on that one. The mesh stripe football jersey is so ass. Like, I'm definitely not going for that. This Kim necklace piece is actually fire. I do love it in either colorway. Personally, I would go for the tannish beigeish color, but I do like the way that they implemented the branding on this piece. It looks genuine, if that makes sense. It is an all over print, but a lot of people aren't liking that one. I do think it's fire though. There's the reversible tech work jacket. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one so you can see the reversed side, I guess. This is the front side and this is the back side. So the back side is quilted and the front is like this flat material. I do like this one. The outside of the jacket has the little Supreme tab up here. Then on the back it has a spell out. I think this jacket is solid. I'm not gonna lie. If I were to go for this, I'd probably just go for that gray color, knowing me, because I do feel like that one is a banger. I want to see if they show more pictures of it actually. Yeah, the gray one is the best colorway on this one. It's actually sick. Now the more that I look at it, the more that I do want it. I love that two-tone gray color, and if you flip it to the other side, you got a fully gray with like a black ribbing on the jacket. That is fire. Knowing myself, I'd probably end up sleeping on it. This is basically the leather week, bruh. We got a leather visor 6-panel with that same classic logo on it. They bugging. I'm good on this. Like, this is just, bro, I don't know. This one though, this gonna go for bread. The Spiderweb leather vest, this shit is fully leather, bro. We good on that. That's gonna go for beans. We got the hand style denim painter shorts coming out as well. I believe in 3 different colorways. Personally, if I was to go for these, it would be in that orangish rustish color. I do feel like that one is a banger. This is the one that I wanted to get the hoodie for, but I don't think I hit on that one, which does suck, bro. I really did want that one, but it is what it is. I feel like the shorts are alright. It's nothing too special, and I'm probably gonna sleep on it, bro. We do got the denim shirt releasing as well in 3 different colorways. This has like Supreme branding going across the back of it, as you can see right there on the shirts. It's like embossed on it or debossed on it. It basically says the world is yours, Supreme. This is a fully denim shirt, so I don't know how I feel about it from the rip, but I guess if that's something you like, then hey, you gonna have to go ahead and go for it. I'm gonna go ahead and overview everything real quick and just tell you guys what I would personally go for. Definitely this multi-tool, beautiful piece in my opinion. The chair is fire as well. If I were to go for it, I'd probably go for it in the black colorway, knowing myself. The military camp cap is alright. If you don't have military camp caps, then this is something you can go for. Personally, I'd go for the gray or the olive colorway. Those are the ones that are standing out the most to me. Wife beaters, hey, if you wear tank tops, you try to add a little hype or spice to it, this is for you right here. These are a 3-pack, so take that as you will. We got this hooded sweatshirt, which we learned that is gonna be cheaper in retail. If this is $200, I might have to go ahead and get the yellow color, simply because I feel like with them lightning 4s, this shit'll slap. Even the black one with the lightning 4s would slap, simply because they got the yellow on the sleeves. Fire, bro. The precision crew neck is decent. I personally don't like crew necks that much, so that's a dub. Warm-up pants in the yellow or the peach color are fire. Every other colorway would low-key take a seat in my books. This crop logos hoodie, I think it's cool. I don't know. I'm trying to like it more, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. It's like I'm trying to like it, but I don't know if I like it type shit. So I'm probably just gonna end up sleeping on that. And everything else from there on out, besides this Kim necklace shirt, which I feel like is so fire for some reason. I don't know why. This is hard, bro. I don't know what it is about this, but it gives me like vintage vibes. I think this is solid. People are sleeping, including myself. Everything else besides that is kind of ass. I do like this jacket only in the gray colorway. I feel like the reversible effect to it is fire, because you do have technically like 2 jackets in one. That is something that I really do like. Besides that, everything else is kind of cheeks. This is a small drop list. We got 1, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 items releasing this week, which is on the smaller side for a drop list. There are still some solid pieces that you can go ahead and get from this week. If you're gonna go for resale, definitely would say the multi-tool if it's not $100. The Chase Lounge is a tricky item because when you sell it, that shipping is gonna be a bitch. The Spider hoodie, I don't know if I would go for it for resale, to be honest, so it is kind of dead this week, but there are some personal pickups that I feel like you can go ahead and take advantage of. And this Vanson jacket might do something resale wise. I don't know, don't take my word for it. I don't know. I have an inkling that I feel like that one might do good resale wise. That's just what I think. It might not. Take that with a grain of salt, but let me know what y'all thought about this video in the comments down below. Leave a like on this one if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. You already know what to do, man. Check the sub count and add yourself, because we're gonna go ahead and bring more crazy content for you guys. I'm working on some shit right now. I hope you guys do like it, but without any further ado, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.